First of all, I've just got to ask you, what was it like when you knew you were coming on against Belarus?
Yeah, it was a bit, it was a surreal moment, to be fair. At half time, the gaffer did mention, obviously, keep warm. I think it was 58 minutes I came on, so he'd give me a shout. And it wasn't really nerves, it was more just get me on the pitch, you know. Obviously I'm buzzing for this now, I've been waiting for it a long time, and you know, it's finally here. So yeah, it was just, obviously it was a great moment for me, and I'm sure my family were watching at home and they were very proud as well. Like,
we had many messages since.
Oh, many, many. Obviously thankful to everyone for the messages and support. It's been mad, like, yeah.
Didn't seem to take you any time to get into the game. You seem to settle down quickly. Is that something that's natural for you?
Yeah, I think obviously I got an early touch straight on. I think the ball was just played up to me. I was just trying to get hold of the defender, just trying to hold it off. And yeah, obviously it was just straight into the game. Obviously trying to pick the pace up. Obviously, because we were obviously two and down at the time. So yeah, I think I settled in quite well to the game. But yeah, I think obviously early touches was key to just settling down into the game. And obviously the lads have been great. As soon as I got onto the pitch, they were all encouraging me. Obviously it was my first game, like, and obviously to have the likes of Gareth Bale obviously encouraging me, and it's surreal, like I said. Well, funny enough, it was a massive blur because it was just happening. It happened so quickly. Yeah. I just remember barging, obviously the defender just trying to get a little bit of space, and as I've looked over, the ball's coming over my head, and I expected it to roll a little bit more, but obviously, like being mentioned, the pitch was obviously not very great. It just stopped underneath my feet. And I just tried to get anything on it just to obviously get on target, make the keeper make a save, or even obviously score the goal. Obviously it bounced back to me, and the keeper made another great save. But yeah, I just tried to keep it alive. Dropped between me and DJ. We didn't know who was going to get the ball. And yeah, I just laid off the DJ, laid off the obviously Gaz, and got the winner in the end. Yeah.
What's it been like? I mean, obviously coming into the squad. We've got Finland, travelled here, there, but with everybody, what's it been like for you the past week?
This week I've come in, they've been brilliant, like obviously training obviously every day, and they've welcomed me brilliant, so obviously I can't thank them enough for welcoming me in, but yeah, they've all been great.
You mentioned coming through the ranks. I've seen you play into under 21s. What, you seem a natural for international football. Does it suit you, the style of play?
Yeah, I'd like to say so, yeah. Obviously I've played quite a lot of games with the 21s, and yeah, mainly playing as a number 9 as well. So yeah, I feel like I adapted very well to international football, and obviously now making my first appearance for the first team, hopefully I can many more of them to come. That's what you want. As soon as you get your first cap, you want to get the 10, you want to get the 20, and you want to keep going. And the more caps, the better. And hopefully we can chip in with a few goals and assists.
That's brilliant. Well done last night. Hopefully a lot more caps in front of you in the near future.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
Thanks a lot.